Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video, let's see the comparison of AWS versus GCP versus Azure. Did you know that over 60% of companies on cloud services for their operations? With so many options out there, how do you choose the right cloud service provider for your business? Let's diving deep into the world of cloud computing. Specifically, we will compare three giants: Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. This comparison is crucial because the choice you make can affect your business flexibility, cost, and scalability. So grab a snack and let's get started. First, let's talk about Amazon Web Services or AWS. AWS is often considered the leader in the cloud service market. Launched in 2006, it provides a wide range of services from computing power to storage options. One of its standard features is its scalability. Are you running a small startup or a large enterprise? AWS can adjust to your needs. For example, if your website sees a sudden spike in traffic, AWS can scale up resources in real time. This means you only pay for what you use, making it cost effective for many businesses. Next up is Microsoft Azure. Azure comes from the tech giant Microsoft, and it launched a few years after AWS in 2010. It's worth nothing that Azure integrates exceptionally well with Microsoft's existing software products. If your company already uses software like Office 365 or Dynamics, Azure can be a seamless fit. A key feature of Azure is its hybrid capabilities. This means you can run services on both on-premises and cloud environments. For businesses that aren't ready to go fully cloud, this flexibility is a big plus. Now let's turn our attention to Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Google Cloud shines when it comes to data analytics and machine learning. If your business relies heavily on data processing, GCP could be the best option for you. For example, Google BigQuery allows for fast queries on large datasets, making data analysis quicker than ever. Not to mention GCP's machine learning tools, which are a cutting edge and user friendly. Pricing. So how do these services compare in pricing? Generally, AWS is known for being the most expensive of the three, but it does offer a pay-as-you-go model. Azure is typically competitive but can sometimes surprise users with hidden fees. GCP, on the other hand, often wins in pricing department. They have a unique pricing structure that gives users discounts based on sustained usage. Next, let's discuss global reach. AWS has the most extensive global footprint. With multiple data centers around the world, it can deliver fast service almost anywhere. Azure closely follows with a large network of data centers. GCP is growing rapidly but still has fewer global regions compared to the other two. This could be a deciding factor for businesses in need of low latency connections. Now, what about security and compliance? All three providers take security very seriously and offer various features to protect user data. AWS is known for its granular security features. Azure offers built-in security functionalities, especially for companies linked to Microsoft services. GCP emphasizes data privacy and transparency, especially with their open source security initiatives. Let's jump into customer support now. AWS offers various support plans which can get rather pricey. Azure is praised for its strong customer support network, particularly among the enterprise users. GCP support is generally considered satisfactory, though it may not be as extensive as AWS or Azure. Finally, let's recap our findings on key areas. Amazon for scalability and flexibility. Microsoft Azure excels in integration with existing Microsoft software and hybrid capabilities. And Google Cloud Platform leads in data analytics and machine learning. So, which one should you choose? It really boils down to your business's specific needs. Are you focused on seamless integration, advanced data analytics, or scalable solutions? Your answers will help guide your decision. But before you make any final choices, let's hear from you. Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts on these cloud services. Have you used any of these platforms? What was your experience like? And if you found this comparison useful, please hit that like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Remember, the key takeaway here is that each platform has its strengths and weaknesses. So spend some time evaluating which features matter most to your business. Choosing the right cloud services is not just about the best price. It's about selecting the best fit for your needs. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and comparisons.